Hi guys, today it's October 16 and it's currently 4:42 a.m. and I'm going to work. Pero mamaya may flight kami. Pero papasok pa ako kasi kulang yung oras kong leave. So kailangan pumasok. Pero hanggang 10 lang naman. So mamaya update ko kaya pagkatapos kong mag-work on the way. Papunta na ako ngayon sa work. Kasi 5 o'clock pasok ko, 4:43 na. Malapit lang naman. So, gantong oras talaga ako umaalis. So, yeah. We're gonna have a long day today. See you later. Hi, guys. Wait. So, I just finished work. It's currently 10:02. At uuwi muna ako. Ay, hindi. Punta muna pala akong Kohl's kasi bili pa ako ng shampoo at conditioner. Tingnan mo yung mukha ko. Ang haggard ko na. Work pa more! But that's okay. Holiday na. Ano ba to? Wala na eh. Oily face. Okay, bye. I'll update you later. Update guys. Ito, palis na kami. Yan lang ang maleta namin. Kasi hindi kami pwedeng magdala ng marami. Kasi magre-rent kami ng car na parang same lang din ito. So, kailangan magkakasya yung bagahe namin. Kaya yun lang dala namin. Pero marami kaming allowances. Lahat kami may tagti 32 pero yun lang dala namin. Packlight.
Hello guys. Say hello to the vlog. Saan ka natin tanilangin?
Ba, ikaw nakakaalam nun. Ang kami yan.
So we're all ready to go.
Update guys, nagkasya, di ba? Sakto lang. Sakto lang talaga yung bagahe namin. Kasi ganyang car din ata yung marerenta namin dun eh. So, carry lang. Where's my neck pillow? Can you get my neck pillow, please? Gida, you wanna come? You wanna come? Oh, you wanna come, huh?
He thinks he's
Yeah?
coming.
Bye, Gito.
Gida.
Ay, umiiyak siya.
Kawawa.
I think you remember the place.
Bye, Gito.
You remember this place?
Nanginginig siya. Ito naman nanginginig siya.
Naalala niyo itong place na ito.
Sino naman nanginginig siya, na? That's okay. We're gonna come back.
Go out.
We're picking you up in 2 weeks, okay?
Ayaw pa dali siya.
Ay, nagtago na. Nagtampo na. Tinam.
It's either that he does
Ay,
not want to leave
kawawa.
us or
He remember the place.
really wants to go out.
No, he remembers the place. Thank you.
Thanks.
See ya.
See ya. Ano sabi? One moment. Oh, madulneya nga.
One moment.
Dito na kami sa Parklong, guys. Napunta na lang sa Parklong dahil natakot. Dapat doon kami sa airport, mas mura eh. Kaya lang baka matraffic kami, magabol kami ng oras. Kaya binago.
Oh, that's the first song I'm playing.
Okay, wahiya!
My butt cheeks hurt.
We're not getting pranked.
What did you say, Dash? Your bachi hurt?
Yes.
Well, good luck later. It's gonna be 14 hours sitting down.
Yep.
Just go. Just keep walking.
Made it to the airport, guys.
Waiting game. Waiting for our boarding time.
How are you doing?
plane.
Started off nice. Philippine Airlines.
Where?
Right there. The cargo.
Where? Ah,
I think the Pala.
look at that snowy mountain there. So guys, we left Brisbane at kailan ba tayo nag-fly? 8:05 ng gabi ng October 16. October 16, 8:05 nag-take off kami. Nag-land kami October 16, 4 PM here. Ang galing, di ba?
Oh, it's an Air France. It is a...
So, we have In-N-Out Burger here. There.
Can you help me open the sauce?
Hmm?
Help me.
Oh, first I'm gonna do it without, I'm gonna bite without sauce. Baka kasama sa kagat yung ano, papel. Baka nasa papel ang nasa. Okay, first bite. Hindi na siya anong... nag-drive pa kami ng mga 30 minutes. Nag-drive to lang kami. Malamig na yung burger namin. It's good. Wait. Ay. With sauce. Ayan, sauce. Good. How was your In-N-Out Burger?
Good.
It is very good.
How are you that?
Mm.
What's your saying?
It's good. It's good.
Good. In-N-Out.
Well, welcome to Los Angeles. Yeah, we're in LA.
Okay, so I'm gonna finish this now. Ano na, French fries na. Bing ko sana chips na, very Australian chips.
Yeah, we're...
So we're here now at Hilton Santa Monica. And we're going in a room. In a room. Oh wow, we have a view of the street. Wow. Ah, sabi, welcome ma. That's me, welcome ma. And let's look at the view. Oh wow, we have a view of the Hollywood.
Oh, welcome, ma.
We have view of the, ano yan? Baka may nagpa-play pa dyan. Doon ba tayo naglakad? Ay, hindi ba tayo doon naglakad? That's our view. And then, buksan yung ilaw. There's 2 rooms. And then, just one. Oh, there's another TV here. Okay. How do you turn on the lights? Turn on the lights there. So, we have 2 beds. We have 2 beds and we have... You can sleep there, Rashid, if you want. Na ano tayo eh.
Mom, can I sleep there?
Yeah. I think magnifying the...
Oh, I like the bathroom. I like the shower. Oh, I like the... Oh, I like the mirror. This is nice.
I thought this was actually floating.
Free Wi-Fi!
I thought this was actually floating.
That's nice.
What room is this? 635, right?
May kape? What's in here? Wala man laman. Ah, ito merong safe tsaka fridge. Teka, buksan natin yung mini fridge ko. Eh, wala naman laman. Din nga, di ba, may nakalagay na ano, ice tsaka filtered water.
So I'm connected to the...
Welcome, Ma.